Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to update PAN-OS, how to update antivirus signatures, wildfire signatures, and how to update content on Palo Alto Firewall. We are doing this lab after monitoring and reporting. Go to Firewall. Current version is 10.0.0. Go to Device. Go to Licensed. Your firewall should be licensed. Go to Dynamic Updates and click Check Now. Done. Now we have the latest application and threat package. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it. Application signatures comes weekly. We can check, check daily, in the night, action, download and install, and okay. So every night Palo Alto will try to check and download and install. In same way, we have another feature here, Global Protect Clientless. Scheduled it daily. We have option for daily, hourly or weekly. So I am selecting for this daily, in the night, download and install. Same for Global Protect data file. If there is an update, check daily, in the night, and download and install. Okay, and then we have device directory. Our firewall is not licensed for that, no problem. Scroll down. Then Wildfire. Wildfire latest signature is this one, which we can manually download. And installed it. Application signatures comes weekly, antivirus signatures comes after 24 hours, and wildfire signature comes after every 5 minutes. So here we can schedule it, check it. You can put real time or you can check every minute, download and install, and sync with HAPI. Check it every minute, then click commit and commit. In this way, you can download and install dynamic updates like application and threats, Global Protect Clientless, and Wildfire. Now go to Global Protect Client full tunnel package, click check now. This one is the latest, download it. It is downloading. After download, we need to install it. It is about to complete. Done and activate. When client will initiate Global Protect request, now this package will be automatically pushed to the client. Now we are talking about software. Currently activated is 10.0.0, 10.0.0. Now we have another updates 10.0.1, 10.0.2. You can choose any, for example 10.0.1. Download. It will take some time to download, so please have patience. 1%. It is about 22%. 61%. 2. Now download complete. Click install and wait for installation. It will take some time. Okay, 25. Very good. 46, 47. After installation, it will ask for reboot. Click yes. Now we have to wait. Palo Alto is now rebooting. It is now rebooting. Please have patience. Now it is again up. Go to firewall. Login, username, admin and its password. Previous version was 10.0.0. Now it is 10.0.1. In this way, we can upgrade our Palo Alto PAN-OS as well as its application and threat signatures and Wildfire signatures. So this was our lab, how to update PAN-OS and antivirus signatures, Wildfire signatures and content upgrade. Thank you.